Hi, thank you for watching A-Step Artists at Home. I'm Monique Letamendi, A-Step's Program Manager. At A-Step, we bring social, emotional, and mindfulness skills to young people all throughout the world. As teaching artists, it is important for us to know how to practice the skills that we are trying to teach. So here I am, bringing you mindfulness activities, and bringing you a poetry lesson, hoping that it will bring you some type of solace through all of these hard times. Before we begin our poetry activity, I want to start with a mindfulness exercise. So please seat somewhere where you feel comfortable and allow your two hands to guide the breath that we will be inhaling and exhaling. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 3 deep breaths together, inhaling positivity and exhaling negativity. But on the 3rd exhale, it will be audible. What sound can best describe the negativity that you are releasing? Or what sound can best describe how you feel now that you have released it? So when you're ready, make sure you're seating, make sure you're using your hands. We're going to inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Inhale positivity, exhaling negativity. One more time. Inhaling positivity, and this exhale should be auditory. Just let it all go. Okay, now we're getting to the good stuff. We're going to start our poetry activity. Today we are going to try Faceted Portraits. What's that? Oh my God, who knows? I'll explain it, I promise. What you will need is a pen or a pencil or anything to write with. These are my favorite pens. So paper, any paper is fine. Even chart paper, if you want to use chart paper, that's fine too. And a portrait with a person in it. So I am using the Ladies of Avignon, which is a painting by Pablo Picasso, which is one of my favorite pieces of art. But maybe you can pick a picture of someone that you miss or someone you want to do something special for once all of this is over. This exercise focuses on imagining yourself in another person's shoes. It can also be a really nice way of appreciating and critiquing a picture. What might be helpful is to try listing phrases that the character or the person in the picture might use, things that they might say, emotional responses to different situations. All of these things are things that we can use to organically create a monologue or a poem. I encourage you all to imagine the kind of passion or obsession that artist or that person in the picture might possess. Who is this person and how can we create a piece around these explorations that you found? Imagine yourself in their shoes. What could they be saying? So this is the photo that I used. This is called the Ladies of Avignon, which is a painting by the famous Pablo Picasso. And this is the example poem that I created using the 3 characteristics from this photo. These women remind me of water, fluid, always flowing together, forming into each other like cocoons, kind and kind-hearted, confrontational and callous. They watch me as I sleep. As you heard from the poem, I used various types of descriptive language to highlight the characteristics I thought that these women had, like callous, like confrontational, like kind-hearted. I just got it from the way that they were positioned and the actual photo itself. But that's just one way to create a poem or monologue organically from a picture. Thank you for joining me. It has been a pleasure to bring you a little bit of peace throughout all of this craziness right now. I want to encourage you all to please come and share what you've created with from this lesson at our next artist meetup, April 29th at 1 p.m. Again, thank you to everyone that has come to support us. I'm Mo, and have a great day.